The world of trellis, unraveled. Hello language explorers. Today, we're diving into a word that's as functional as it is beautiful, trellis. You may have come across this term while reading a book, or perhaps while discussing gardening with someone. Let's unwrap its meaning and usage. A trellis is a structure made of vertical, horizontal, or diagonal bars, usually made of wood, bamboo, or metal. It's primarily used in gardens to support climbing plants and flowers. Imagine a framework of lattices that vines, roses, or beans climb upon. That's a trellis. Trellises are a popular fixture in gardens, but they're not limited to outdoor spaces. They can be 1. Decorative elements in gardens, patios, or balconies, adding a touch of aesthetics while serving a functional purpose. 2. Used indoors as a room divider or decorative piece, especially when adorned with indoor climbing plants. 3. An architectural element. Some buildings incorporate trellises as part of their design, allowing plants to grow on the building's exterior. Understanding a word also involves knowing how to use it in context. Here are a few example sentences. 1. The roses on the trellis added a romantic touch to the garden. 2. She decided to place a trellis in her balcony for her ivy plant to climb. 3. The building's design incorporated a metal trellis that, over time, would be covered with greenery. The word trellis might seem simple at first glance, but it encompasses both functionality and beauty in gardens and architectural designs. We hope you now have a clearer picture of what a trellis is and how it's used. Keep exploring, and remember, every word has its own unique story to tell.